Okay, here's my cardboard prototype. Testing it out after a few little modifications. I wanted to get this channel cut here so that the line can go straight through and straight through the gap in the back. So let's give her a go here. See how this works. Line's feeding good. You can see it moving along. Going through the gap. There's a nice little zigzags you can see back there. Okay. Looks like it stopped feeding there at the very end. Let's pull this thing out, take a better look. Yeah, see? So that could be because these are, this is all cardboard and loose, but the real deal would be not loose like that. So for the most part it works. So the CAD drawing is almost done, and we'll have a plastic prototype to try next before we go to the final machining, the metal one.